In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Zoho Vault master password. If you're using Zoho Vault as your go-to password manager, maintaining a strong, secure master password is essential for safeguarding all your stored credentials. Today, we'll walk through the process and ensure that by the end, you'll be confident in updating this crucial security measure. First off, let's start by navigating to your Zoho Vault dashboard. You can do this simply by logging into your Zoho account and heading over to the main dashboard. Once you've found yourself on the dashboard page, you should begin by looking towards the left-hand side of the screen. There, you'll see a menu. Go ahead and click on Settings. This is where all your account and security settings are accessible, making it a crucial section for managing your Zoho Vault effectively. Once you've clicked on the Settings option, you'll be directed to a new page. Here, you should look for the Security tab. It's where any security-related changes are made, like changing your passwords or updating your account's security settings. Under the Security tab, glance through the options available until you come across the Change Master Password option. This is the key section for our task today. Now, let's get into the nitty-gritty. Much like resetting a password on any of your social media accounts, you'll need to input your current master password. This step is necessary because you need to confirm that you're the rightful account owner making the change. Following that, enter your preferred new password. Make sure it's something both strong and memorable. Ideally, it should include a mix of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and special characters to enhance security. Remember that before you can proceed, you must acknowledge an essential security disclaimer. You'll find a checkbox that you need to check. It states, "I understand that Zoho Vault does not store my master password, and I will not be able to access any of my stored passwords without my master password." This step emphasizes the fact that Zoho values user privacy and security by not storing your master password on their servers. Double-check that you're confident with the new master password you've set, because retrieving it could pose a significant challenge if forgotten. With that verification in place, the final step is to click on the button that says Change Master Password, and voila! You should receive a notification stating your password has been successfully reset. This confirmation affirms that everything has been updated seamlessly and securely. It's always a good idea to ensure you can log back in with your new master password immediately after making such a change. Congratulations! You've successfully navigated the process, keeping your Zoho Vault and all the passwords it holds secure and manageable. Thank you for following along, and remember to regularly update your master password to protect your digital life.